Just a comfortable flight away awaits picturesque geography and a thriving nightlife of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white, sanded paradise. With a seafront promenade, you've got the perfect setting for an evening stroll. There's a bus stop nearby, so getting around is hassle-free. But sometimes a day on the sands just isn't enough. A banana boat is sure to satisfy anyone's need for speed, or explore the waters on a pedalo. You'll want to catch the nearby attractions. The wide range of sights and activities make this a perfect spot for the next family getaway. So go on and treat yourself to a little fun in the sun.